Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a quick unboxing of this Sakura box. I'm super excited, guys. It's a Japanese subscription box full of Japanese snacks and candies. Now 30 of them come included. I'm super excited. I was expecting this box to be a little bit bigger, but it is pretty small. Now we're gonna go ahead and open it. It does come with this seal here, so we're just gonna go ahead and break it off. Alright guys, so now we took off the seal, we're gonna go ahead and open the box. Oh, I really love the box. It's super cute. I love that it says that it's from Osaka, Japan, so we know where it's coming from. I did also read that it came with the pamphlet that was in English, so you can kind of read about all the different snacks and chips and all the candy. Oh, I really like this, so we can go ahead and just read all of the candy that it comes with. I really like the little pamphlet here. It also comes with a little thank you note, so it says thank you from Sakura box, and then you scratch panel below to win instantly. Oh, what do we win? We can win something here. Oh, wow. Okay, 10% off of your next purchase. Yes, we will keep this. Oh my God, guys, I'm super excited. Now the box, it is a little bit small. So as you can see, all the candy is pretty small. Let's go ahead and check them out. Okay, now I think we have some of these here in the US, but obviously we want to taste their originality. So cute. I really want to give those a go. It comes with the little chips here. So with the little corn chips, I'm guessing. Super excited to give this a try. Oh wow. Okay, so candy here. This is interesting. Really interesting. Now it comes with a little different candies here. So all the small little candies. So it does come with a lot of small candies here, so it can fit all of the box. Yep. So this, I'm guessing this is kind of like, okay, interesting. So we have the little gummies. Oh, I really like all the little snacks. Yes, I'm super excited to try all of these. Now some more chips, I'm guessing. I really like this. And now it comes with a bunch of little candies, guys, a bunch of them. So this is perfect for like gifts for little kids, or if you are a family who loves tasting like new snacks, this is great for it. Let me go ahead and show you all of the candies so you can kind of see them. Really cool. I really like this. This is for like for your drinks. This is to make lemonade, I'm guessing. Really cool. And now, what is this? Oh yes, this is like candy, like those hard candies. Some more chips here, and then some more little snacks. Oh, I really like this. I've seen these before. These are like the little snow cone, but they're obviously candy. Oh, I really like this. This is interesting. I'm super excited to give them a try. But yeah, guys, this is basically all the candy that it comes with. They're 30 pieces, but it looks like a bunch of candy. As you can see, there are a bunch. This is chocolate. Oh, I'm excited to give this a go. But anyways, guys, I would really recommend this box. It comes with a variety of snacks, from chips to chocolates to candies to drinks. And so I would definitely recommend them, especially now that the holidays are creeping up. They would be a great gift for any loved one.